The South Caddo Ranch, 527 acres, is a sizable continuous property in Bryan County. The fertile soils provide a variety of grasses, including Bermuda, Johnson, Dallis, rye, clover, and native, and the large hay meadow produces an ample amount of hay for winter storage. With management, this property can run approximately 100 cow-calf pairs. Excellent barbed wire cross-fences the property into 6 pastures with 7 ponds throughout the land. This property presents a blank canvas to build a dream home in a private location on top of a hill that rises in elevation to capture views. There are 2 ways to access the property, one off the Caddo Highway and the others off of Country Road 2020. Located just 5 minutes from Caddo, 10 minutes from Durant, and an hour and a half from the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, this property easily gives you peace and privacy while being close to town. Call today for your showing.